Own a sea can, need a place to store your tires? Check out this tire rack kit meant for storing tires in shipping containers. I'm Channing McCorson, the Container Guy. In this video, we'll provide you installation instructions on how to install our tire rack kit utilizing our modular interior systems in shipping containers. You'll want to check out the video on how to install our container strut mount or CSM brackets, which will show you how to get your container pre-strut lined. And then once that's complete, you'll be able to install these tire rack kits and many other accessories that we provide. So for these tire rack kits, get your spring nuts in the strut channel ahead of time, and then just start with your bottom angle bracket. You'll start bolting it on. And so for the horizontal length of strut, install your spring nuts ahead of time. Make sure that your strut channel is facing upwards because your EMT pipe clamps are going to strap into that. So with these angle brackets, there's lefts and rights. You'll use one on this side, and then the far other side, you'll use the same version that goes up against the vertical strut. So with this here, it's got these two smaller holes laser cut through the side. What we're gonna do is use it to protect the cut edge of this strut channel, and then we're just gonna self-tapping screw through those two smaller holes into the strut. So we've cut the angled strut so that it tucks in nicely inside this bracket here. And then you just kind of got to measure backwards to see how long you want this piece to be. There is a basic set of dimensions that we can provide a customer, but these are adjustable. So you can continue to go outwards if you have larger tires, which would cause this angle strut to be longer. Or if it's like smaller quad tires or something, you can bring it in. So no point taking extra space in your container and make your tire rack way larger than your tires actually are. You can pre-install the bolts and spring nuts into the top angle bracket prior to holding it up to the strut channel, and then you can just maneuver it up and down to where you need it. Once you got the tire rack brackets all bolted up to the vertical struts, now just cut your 1¼ inch EMT to whatever length you want it, and use the included straps to secure it down to the horizontal struts. Now this is pretty strong stuff. Depending on the weight of your tire, you can span quite a ways, so probably get up to 8 feet and a couple sets of tires between one tire rack kits. Yeah, just depending on, if you need 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, make sure that you space your vertical struts accordingly. We lined entire containers with tire racks in there, and so for tire shops and things like that, for excess storage or seasonal storage of tires, it provides a ton of heavy-duty shelving, and that's completely modular. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe to our channel and ring that bell for notifications. If you have any new video suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And as always, check us out at tcg.ca. Hope you learned something.